Hi friends, we are going to go over lesson 4-7 today, solve one-step and two-step problems. So our first problem is 28 students are in the classroom. Then some more students come into the classroom. Now there are 36 students in the classroom. How many students came into the classroom? So remember, I always underline or circle or box the numbers that I'm going to be using in my story problem. So 28 and 36. So 28 students originally came into the classroom. So I'm going to go, I know that's going to be a part. Remember, there's part, whole. So 28 students are in the classroom right now. Then some more students come in. So we don't know how many more. Then some more. So we don't know how many more. I think that's what we're going to be trying to figure out. Come into the classroom. Now there are 36. So we know 36 is our whole because there's 36 students in the classroom. How many students came into the classroom? So now we're going to try to figure this out. So we can either do the problem 36 minus 28 to figure out how many students came into the classroom, or you could do 28 plus how many more, which we don't know yet, equals 36. So I'm going to go ahead and use our open number line to be able to figure out this problem. So I'm going to put 28 right here, and I'm going to count on until I get to the number 36. So I'm at 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. All right, let's count how many jumps we made. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this one, I thought addition to be able to help me out. So I know now that 28 plus 8 equals 36. So I'm going to go ahead. So 8 was our other part that we were trying to figure out. And so if we know 28 plus 8 equals 36, then we know that 36 minus 28 equals 8. So now we know that 8 kids, so 28 students came in the classroom, or were in the classroom. Then it says some more, 8 more came into the classroom. Now there's 36. So we know 8 kids came into the classroom. By thinking addition using open number line, and once we thought addition and used our bar diagram, we were able to figure out what 36 minus 28 is. All right, and then our next problem, we have Patrick has 24 yellow starbursts, 8 red starbursts, and 14 orange starbursts. How many starbursts does Patrick have in all? So let's go ahead and figure this out. We are going to be adding all 3 of these numbers together. So I'm going to go ahead and put 24. Well, first, I am going to box all of our numbers that we are going to be using to try to figure out this equation. It says, how many starbursts does Patrick have in all? So I know that I'm going to be adding because they're asking how many I have in all. So I have 24 plus 8. And remember, there's just a 0 in the tens place if you have just an 8 or a 9 or a 4 or a 3. And then the number 14. So we're going to go ahead and add these all together. So I'm going to kind of break these apart. So I know 4 plus 4 equals 8. And now we need the other 8. So 8 plus another 8. And I know my doubles fact, so this actually makes it easier. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that 6 in our ones place. But we have a 1 in the tens place. So remember, we need to add that to our tens place. So I have plus 1. So now we have 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So Patrick has 46 starbursts in all, adding them all together. So remember, just in story problems, I always say, make sure you box the numbers, circle whatever, underline, box the numbers that you're going to be using. Figure out if you're going to be using addition or subtraction next, and then you can go ahead and solve the problem. Because I think you need to be able to figure out what you're going to be doing first before you start doing the actual problem. All right, guys, thank you.